Morning children, today we are going to start with science of standard 3rd. We are going to start a new lesson number 7, birds. I think you are looking for the animals around us, and in that animals birds are also included. A bird is an animal with feathers on the body. Birds are of various colors and size. Have you seen the birds, children? Name some of the birds: sparrow, pigeon, crow, many eagle. Many birds are there. Okay, so they are very interesting and they are amusing. Parts of the birds. The different parts of the bird's body are shown below. Look at the picture here. First thing you can see is the beak. This is the eye, body feathers, wings, tail, flight feathers and claws. Flight feathers means what? That help in flying. Okay, and claws means this nail like structure is there too. They are called claws. Birds are the animals that can fly. They fly with the help of their wings. Their tail helps in changing direction while flying. The wings are attached to the body with the strong muscles. Boat shaped light body, well formed wings, and strong muscles help the bird to fly. Now, this is about the birds. You have to write 3 sentences about the birds. What will you write? Birds are animals that can fly. They fly with the help of their wings. Their tail helps in changing the direction while flying. And the wings are attached to the body with strong muscles. Boat shaped, light body, well formed wings, and strong muscles help the bird to fly. You have to learn this. That means you have to say it without looking. Wing movements. There are 2 movements, upstroke and downstroke. Upstroke means while going upward. When the wings move upwards, the backward and backwards, the wings movement is called upstroke. See the ready to look at these positions here. Look at the picture. First one is ready to take off. Then upstroke begins. Pull up stroke and again upstroke while going upward. These are the positions to go upward. Next, downstroke. When the wings move downwards and forwards, the wings movement is called downstroke. See the picture here. Observe the picture. Downstroke begins here. Pull downstroke. Another upstroke downstroke. Ready for landing and landing. Feathers. The bird's body, wings and tail are covered with feathers. See, the bird's body, wings and tail are covered with feathers. This is a point. Write 3 times. Birds have mainly 3 types of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. See, the flight feather is here. The feathers are strong, flat. These are found in wings and the tail. They help the bird to fly. Down feathers. These feathers are soft and fluffy. They keep the bird warm. And body feathers. These feathers cover the body of the bird. They give shape to the bird's body. Body feather. Now see, collect some different kinds of feathers. Find whether they are flight, down or body feathers. Also find which bird they belong. You can collect them and paste it in your notebook. Now there are some MCQ questions. The only animal with feathers are birds. The feathers that keep a bird warm are called what? Down feathers. Understood? Now see here children, you will read this and send me the audio. Read this. Types of the body. Do one thing, you can paste the picture of a bird and name the body parts and send it to me. Read the lesson and send the audio. Write these points 3 times and write the words which you cannot read or which are new words, like what are the words: strong muscles, different, feathers, attached, direction, changing, light body, upstroke, downstroke, full upstroke. These are some of the words: downstroke, movement, feathers, These are some of the words which you will write 5 times and learn. Okay, thank you.